Welcome to our video showing how to use the Neria Guard infusion set. Wash your hands and choose an insertion site on your body as recommended by your healthcare professional. Clean the insertion site and leave to dry. Open the package and take out the content. Remove the paper from the adhesive tape and remove the safeguard by gently squeezing the sides of the safeguard and pulling it straight out. Position the insertion device on the skin and press the red activation button. The insertion device will automatically release from the insertion site. Gently press the adhesive tape onto the skin. Connect the tubing to the pump. Remove the white cover and fill the tubing with the medication according to the instructions provided by the pump manufacturer. Be sure there is no air in the tubing. Connect the tubing to the insertion site. Here you can see how to disconnect and reconnect the tubing. Thank you for watching this film.